Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel, The Persianaire. Have you ever tried to get a friend's attention in a movie theater, but you are too far away? Or maybe you just wanted to call your cat by their name, but in a dramatic way. Today, we are talking about the vocative case in Persian. It's how you call a person, a cat, or even a poetic breeze. It's not just what you say, it's how you say it. So get ready to learn the secret vocal trick that makes you sound like a native Persian speaker. Let's do this. So, in this lesson, you'll learn how to get someone's attention in Persian. Use the correct tone to call a person's name. Okay, so here is the coolest part. The most common way in Persian to vocate someone doesn't use a special word. It uses stress magic. Normally, stress is at the end of a word.
Really?
So, if your friend's name is Salar, the stress falls on the last syllable, lar, Salar. But when you are calling him, you don't say Salar. You have to shift the stress to the very beginning and say Salar. See, the stress just bounces to the front. It's a small change, but it's a huge signal that says, hey, I'm talking to you. Let's try a more formal name. His name is Mr. Kalor. آقای Kalor. So, if you want to get Mr. or آقای Kalhor's attention, you have to say آقای کلهر، آقای کلهر، آقای کلهر. No extra words needed. No hey, no yo. Just a little vocal dance. Let's practice. Say these names out loud with me, shifting the stress to the beginning. The first one is Mina. Mina, Mina. The second one is Maryam, Maryam, Maryam. And the last one is Roya, Roya, Roya. All right, it's quiz time. I'm going to say a name and then you are going to tell me how you would call them out. Ready? Let's go. Okay, the first one is your friend's name is Ali. How do you get his attention? You are going to say Ali, Ali, Ali. Good. The next one. Your grandmother is مادر بزرگ. مادر بزرگ. How would you vocate her? Yes, you got it. مادر بزرگ. مادر بزرگ. مادر بزرگ. Now, what if you are feeling a bit dramatic or you are writing a poem? That's where A comes in. Think of A as O or O. It's perfect for big, dramatic moments. You're praying and need a little help from up there. You would say, Ey Khoda, Ey Khoda, Ey Khoda, oh God. Now, quick reality check. Is A common in daily chat? Absolutely not. Unless you are in a super intense moment, you may use it. You might also hear the word ya, which comes from Arabic. It is only used in a specific, often spiritual. For example, people might shout, Ya Ali. So they use Ya Ali when they are lifting something heavy or they need a burst of strength. It's a way to call on Ali, a major figure in Shiite Islam. You might also hear Yalla, Yalla, which is a shortened version of Ya Allah.
Yalla 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 yalla.
And that means quick, let's go. It's super common in conversational Persian. Quiz time. Say it's true or false. Can you use ya to call your friend's name? The answer is wrong. And finally, for some modern slang, you might hear things like hey, hey, ahoy, ahoy, ohoy, ohoy. So these are a bit like hey there. So they are very informal and you need to be careful with these ones. And you shouldn't use them when you address someone. And an assignment for you. Find 3 people, call them out using the stressed shift technique. You have got this. Let me know in the comments below if you did the assignments or not. And ahoy! Like the video and subscribe to my channel for more grammar lessons. I'll see you in the next lesson where I talk about exclamations. It's going to be a wide one. So until then, Khoda Nagahdar and take care, dude.